Senior physicians, resident doctors and their supporting staff in Hunza district of the illegally occupied Gilgit-Baltistan took to streets against the authorities they call autocratic. They demonstrated against the callous and arrogant step of the administrators, in which they issued transfer orders for those who complained about ill-equipped and contaminated medical compounds amid COVID-19 outbreak in the region. Doctors had earlier demanded personal protective equipments for all medical staff, as one of them had contracted the virus owing continuous exposure. But authorities, whose decisions amid the pandemic have already troubled the poor and deprived in the region, took an unexpected call of transferring the staff, citing they were misbehaving. Now, the doctors demand retraction of the order and immediate procurement of all the essential equipment required during a patient handling.
अभी हम यहाँ पे इसलिए जमा है, हम बाज़ाबिता तौर पर पुरअमन तरीके से हम मार्च करते हुए डीएचओ साहब के दफ्तर जाएंगे। वहाँ पे वो अगला लाए अमल हमें वो क्या कहता है, अगर वो डटा हुआ है तो मैं कहता हूँ या हम सब कहते हैं कि हम भी अपने मौक़िफ़ पे डटे रहेंगे।
Doctors also said that such arbitrary decisions of Islamabad-backed local administrators were damaging the developments they had made in containing the virus spread. While they did not have any issue working in any part of the region, they were not going to comply with the draconian orders being issued to them by any failed bureaucrat. They are even mulling resignation and retirement if authorities fail to deliver what they want.
हमारे आइसोलेशन सेंटर पे और मुख्तलिफ स्क्रीनिंग में, लैब में, जहाँ पे भी हमारा काम कर रहे हैं लोग फ्रंट लाइन पे, उनको कोई सहूलत नहीं दी जा रही है। जब मैंने आवाज उठाया तो मेरी बदतमीजी हो गई है और मुझे वो उन्होंने ट्रांसफर किया है, लेकिन उस ट्रांसफर से ना तो मुझे कोई खौफ है ना कोई डर है। पूरा गिलगित बल्तिस्तान मेरा है, जहाँ पे भी मैं जाऊंगा मैं ड्यूटी करूंगा, लेकिन जिस अंदाज से उसने मुझे यहाँ से ट्रांसफर किया ये मुझे एक्सेप्ट नहीं है। मैं रिटायरमेंट ले लूंगा, मैं इस ड्यूटी को छोड़ूंगा, लेकिन मैं इस जो पोस्टिंग उसने किया है उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूंगा।
There are more than 1,200 coronavirus cases in Gilgit-Baltistan, and there are high chances that authorities are underplaying the actual figures. Outside media cannot travel here, and there is no credible monitoring body. The crisis has further been aggravated by a limited number of tests being done per day. The authorities in the region have completely disregarded the WHO guidelines and have been diagnosing only those who are severely symptomatic and need urgent medical attention.